Attention participants and supporters of the Dolphinfish Research Program. We are excited to release our entire tag and release database in an online interactive map at dolphintagging.com/map. Since 2002, anglers around the world have been participating in the DRP, an international tagging program for mahi-mahi, to gather movement, life history, and population dynamics data of the iconic game and food fish species. This map is the culmination of 23 years of conventional and satellite tagging work with anglers in the Western Central Atlantic Ocean and Eastern Tropical Pacific Ocean. Tagging activity is also spread to the Mediterranean Red Seas, Gulf of Oman, and the South China Sea. Data collected through this effort and displayed in this map has been published in 15 different scientific publications, which has vastly improved our knowledge of the species. The purpose of this video is to provide a demo of the current map, version 1.0. When you visit dolphintagging.com/map, you will see a pop-up that links to this video. And if you scroll down, you'll see the map. The map has several tools, features, and layers that we'll be discussing. But first, one of the major limitations of this current map is the movement arrows could not have arrowheads indicating directionality of the movements. However, the movement lines always move away from the tagging sites displayed. Therefore, when visualizing tagging sites, you can get a sense of directionality. Beginning first with the layers legend, on this map there are 3 layers displayed. The top layer is all tag releases with data up to the previous full calendar year. Tag and release sites can be toggled on and off by clicking this hide layer icon. The second layer is all satellite tag movements, displayed as yellow lines on the map. In some cases, you need to zoom in to see the satellite tag movements because the releases overlay the lines when zoomed out. The third layer is conventional recapture movements, displayed as red lines on the map. Remember, where a red line ends without an oval, that is the location the dolphinfish was recaptured. For example, these 2 movements to Venezuela were from the US East Coast. While displaying these layers is the essence of this map, there's additional features that can really enhance the user experience. If you click on this widgets icon in the upper right corner, it opens up additional statistics and a way for our participants to search for their vessel's tagging activity. When zoomed in, it is helpful to close the layers legend here so you can see more of the map. When zoomed in, the widgets will only display the data that is within view, and this will be reflected in the counts. When zoomed out, all data will be displayed. So as you move through the map, these values will change. So thanks to Wind Down, Matatet, Obsession, and Forever for tagging a lot of dolphinfish in the Lesser Antilles, to Missing Onhill, Fish Whistle, and CFA in the US Caribbean Sea, to Sandman, Who Dat, El Charlie, and Southern Run in the DR, to Macaira in the Caymans, to Macara, Catch and Release, and Sweet Marlin in the Western Caribbean Sea, to Killin' Time 2, Thomas Flyer, Cool Cat, and many, many more in the Keys in Florida, to Weedline Fever, Who Dat, and Rising Suns in the Eastern and Central Gulf of Mexico, and Latitude Adjustment in the Western Gulf of Mexico, to Summer Girl and Willpower in the South Atlantic Bight in North Carolina, and Paradox, Kraken, and Perfect Circle in the Mid-Atlantic Bight. To search for your vessel name, simply click the search bar, type in your vessel name, and hit Apply. The widget will then display your vessel's releases if the map is centered over your region. If you are not on your region, your vessel data will not display. Lastly, there are 2 icons in the upper left corner which allow you to measure distances in kilometers on the map, or an icon to download data. To measure a distance, you click on this icon and measure a distance. Once you are done, simply press Escape on your keyboard and the distance will disappear. For exporting data, click Export Viewport Data icon, which allows anyone to download all the data included in the view of the map or in the entire map. You can select all layers or none to select individual data sets. Then follow the instructions to download the data. We really hope you enjoy the utility of this map. From all of us here at the Beyond Our Shores Foundation Dolphinfish Research Program, we thank you for your time and assistance in research of this iconic species.